Problem number 4. If NC5 equals to NC6, then find 13Cn. This is the first one. Second one is the first one is NC5 equals to NC6. NC5 equals to NC6, then find the value of 13Cn. Okay. See formula NCr equals to NCs. Then N equals to R plus S. N equals to R plus S. See NC5 equals to NC6. Then N equals to 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, now we will find the value of 13Cn. 13Cn, that equals to 13C, N value 11. N value now 11. What is the NCR formula? NCR equals to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So this is how the form 13C11 is in the form of NCR. So N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So 13 factorial can be written as 13 times, 12 times, 11 times, 11 factorial. 13 times, 12 times, 11 factorial by 13 minus 11 is 2 factorial into 11 factorial. So here 11 factorial can cancel. So 13 into 12, 2 factorial value 2 into 1. So 2, how many times now? 6 times. So 13 into 6 by 1. No need to write 1. 13 6 is 78. Second one. Same concept. NC9 equals to NC8. Find NC17. See, this is how the form NCR equals to NCS. Then see, NC9 equals to NCS. Then N equals to 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, that is 17. And value 17. Now we will find NC17. NC17. So N value here 17. 17C 17. Okay. NCR formula N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So 17 factorial by N factorial by N minus R factorial. 17 minus 17 factorial into 17 factorial. Okay, 17 factorial one time. So 1 by 17 minus 17 is 0. 0 factorial. So 1 by 0 factorial value 1. 1 by 1 is 1.